Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a really super quick citrus curd. This one's going to be lemon curd, but you can use orange juice, you can use lime juice, you can use grapefruit juice, whatever citrus that you have on hand. I'm going to start with a pot filled about halfway full with water, and I'm going to put it on my stove at a high heat because I want to get the water to simmering. Once it starts simmering, I'm going to cut the heat down to medium. I have a heat-proof bowl right here that I have 3 egg yolks in, and that's going to be the base of our curd, which is going to be nice and thick and super creamy and rich. So I want to have my bowl on top of my double boiler here. Be very careful because metal is a conductor of heat and you can very easily get burned. So I'm going to hold on to my bowl very carefully and start whisking the egg yolks. And they're already super creamy and super runny. You can see it like this. Okay, so into my egg yolks, I want to add half a cup of sugar, just granulated sugar. I want to add a tablespoon of lemon zest, and I want to get this mixed up, and I want to continue mixing until the sugar and the egg yolk have come together. And here they are. Now I want to add 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. All right. So we're just going to continue to whisk this until we get a really super thick sauce. But I'm going to add something special to this before it gets to that point. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Blue Lady black tea. And this is something I got from New Break Tea. It's absolutely phenomenal. It has a really fun, fruity and citrusy kind of smell, which is going to really enhance the flavor of this lemon curd. So 2 teaspoons going right in there. Don't worry, we're going to strain it all out. So in the meantime, keep whisking because this liquid is going to turn into creamy, citrusy goodness that we're going to use for something very special. Okay. This could take a minute, but don't give up, and certainly don't leave it unattended. Okay, so the curd is coming along, and I have a panel here to tell, is it nice and thick?
It is.
It's thickened up. All right. So very carefully move the pot off of the burner and kill the heat. Now we want to strain our lemon curd right into the strainer. We want to get all of those pieces of tea out of it and make it really super nice and smooth and luscious. So here goes. Okay, that's going to go right back there. And you can just use your whisk to kind of mix it up a little bit in the strainer. And it doesn't look like it's too thick right now, but I promise you it's going to thicken up as it cools. It doesn't take very long. You're going to see a few little dark flecks in the curd. Don't worry about it. It's the bigger pieces of tea that we don't want in there, which is just fine. And this looks like it'll work beautifully. All right. Put that here. So let's take a look and see. All right. There it is. And when it coats the spoon, like this, and you can put your finger across it and it doesn't close in, you know it's ready. Flavor of it's really good too. It's slightly tart, really sweet, but you can definitely taste the citrusy notes from the tea. So this is going to go into the refrigerator to set and cool and thicken up a little bit, and then we're going to use it for something special, or you can just eat it as is. Okay, Mom, Dad, say hi.
Bye.
All right. We will return and use this at a later date. Enjoy!